This is going to be today's breakfast. It's called Gunda. So they put some batter in these leaves and then they're cooking. While the breakfast is getting ready there in the kitchen, what to do? Let's pass the time by catching up on the news. I've been enjoying the village experiences so much that I'm not caught up on the news. We have a newspaper here. Okay, today's news in the Squiggle town. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Squiggle everywhere. It's not Greek or Latin. All I see is squiggle. Modi's birthday is today, right? Do we have news about that? Okay. Let's understand. Squiggle, squiggle. Happy birthday, Modi. So this is Modi, the Prime Minister of India. Do they love Modi here?
Yes, evenly distributed access. I don't know, I haven't spoken to him. And I do not talk politics at all.
Okay, this channel is also not political. So let me reserve my opinion of Modi. When I decide to piss some people, I will become political, but not now. My YouTube channel is too small to die right now. Okay, you got caught up. And this is the chicken curry for which the masala was being ground last night. Food cooked on the fire tastes better. This is another stuff. The breakfast is here finally. So what does this look like? It looks like idli, but it's not idli.
Gunda.
It is bonda. It is bonda. Bunda. It's bunda. Bunda. Oh, Gunda.
Yeah.
Okay, Gunda. So this is cooked by putting the batter inside the container made out of leaves, and then that leaf container is kept inside a vessel that has boiling water, and then you close the lid. Basically how idli is made, but the container is different. It's made out of leaves, and the batter also may be different. Little different taste from idli.
And it's less porous.
Yeah, it's less porous. Yeah, idlis are a little softer than this. And this is the chicken curry. Chicken curry, the same chicken curry for which yesterday they were grinding. Yeah, they were grinding the spices. Grinding masalas for tomorrow's chicken curry. Let's taste the chicken. It's very hot.
Must the curry, we normally, kind of break it down so that it soaks the curry. Like break down the gunda. Like
Young
this.
people also eat like this?
Yes, it's
Okay.
that's the best way to have the masala soak in rather
Ah.
than just dip and eat, because inside.
Then let's do that. Yeah, I can understand how this would taste better.
Oh.
See, so this is how they opened the container. So all the leaves were vertical like this from all sides. So it became a container.
There was a toothpick or something.
Yeah.
Which
So they
held them together.
so leaves are held together by sticks or toothpicks. Let's taste this. Is this a common combination? Gunda with chicken, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
ಒಂದು ಗುಂಡ ಚಿಕನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಿಂತೀನಿ ಜರ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್
Hmm.
just like idli.
So, like, if you are from India, then you may know South Indians eat idli with sambar and chutney. That's also one way to eat it. But then, this is another way. The chicken curry.
Oh, but it tastes best with chicken curry.
Hmm. I think my magic was little too good. 4 of them came. I might have hunger for 2 or 3. So I'll have to overeat again.
Like they're being forced. Yes, he's being forced fed.
Let's crush it all so that I don't have to see 3 of them.
One curry.
A little curry, yeah. Little curry will do some good. Yes. This trip is giving me not just travel experience but food experience as well. I'm having so many dishes which I have not had before. Every day something new. That's it for today's breakfast. Signing off.